All right, 7th graders, this is to help you with question 6 on CR number 10. It says to simplify, and the first expression they give you is negative 7a plus 4b, and then you're going to subtract off 9a minus b. Okay, so the first thing you do, this is probably your teachers talk about X's and O's when we combine like terms. First thing you need to do is you need to distribute this negative through the second set of parentheses. Okay, if you have a negative outside that parenthesis, you got to distribute it through or multiply it through that second set of parentheses. So your first expression just remains the same, negative 7a plus 4b. And once we distribute the negative through, negative times 9a would be negative 9a. Then you see negative times a negative. Negative times a negative becomes a positive. Or you could think about it as minus a negative b. What's minus a negative become? Minus a negative becomes plus. And we still have our b there. All right, so I tried explaining this on another video using algebra tiles, not realizing this year the teachers chose not to use algebra tiles, and that's fine. So now I'm going to make sure I'm trying to explain it the way you're learning it in class. First of all, if no number appears in front of this b, you can assume that means 1b, okay? This right here, I'm going to combine my a's. Minus 7a might be like you lost 7 apples. And then you lost 9 more apples. How many apples did you lose? You've lost 16 apples. Your teachers might have you doing a chart, and they might here have you do like your A's and your B's, and they might have you do negative 7a minus 9a to come up with negative 16a. And then they'll have you combine your B's. That's like 4 bananas plus 1 more banana. You're up to 5 bananas. And so they might have you do 4b plus 1b is plus 5b. Then you say, well, I can't put my apples and bananas together. They are not like terms. They don't have the exact same variable part. So therefore, I would then know I was done with the problem. Some teachers like to use this little chart that I did up in the corner. Some teachers just like to have you work down the page and just combine your like terms. A's with A's, B's with B's. And then you stop when you get to the point where you no longer have any like terms to combine. If that has A's, that has B's, you can't shove them together. All right, I hope that helps.